When I completed my graduation from Gandhinagar College, I obviously sat in for a few entrance exams, mass communication being my first choice, but the first exam that I cracked was of National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. So obviously, आप इतना सोचते नहीं हो उस वक्त, आपको लगता है हाँ इतने अच्छे prestigious leading institute में you've got the admission, so you rush and just go ahead and do it. So that's where my path for this field was carved when I went to NIFT for my post graduation. मैंने 2 years वहाँ पे course किया है, and then I came back to Jammu and set up my own studio. I got married into a business family, so obviously my path was now towards business as well as fashion. So the first Hi, I'm Mansi Gupta. I am owner of MG Institute of Fashion Technology. I have my own studio by the name of Studio MG, and I do design consultancy for various government and private institutions. So how did my journey begin? I am born and brought up in Jammu, did my schooling in Jammu, and then I did my college from Gandhinagar College. And I was always a very avid debater and somebody who would, go for elocutions, debates, declamations. Mic was my first love actually. Still is, but I've somewhere down the line I've, not pursued that as my career, not pursued speaking and public speaking or, mass communication as my career, but my career choice came up to be fashion designing, clothing and apparel. So when I was growing up, I was really into all these activities that I used to participate in. My family, my father was the leading theatre person of J&K, and it was a very cultural upbringing that we had. I mean, musicians or classical singing or classical, not that I would sing, but we were in touch with all these cultural things. जो अब मुझे realize होता है that it was a unique kind of an upbringing, क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चों को पता ही नहीं है हमारे about our culture or our these classical singers or classical dancers, या इसके बारे में concept ही नहीं है, सितार players कौन है, तबला players कौन है. तो हमारे लिए वो it was very natural as a part of my growing up, because both my parents were very, very culturally aware and associated with this field of culture. So then when I completed my graduation from Gandhinagar College, I obviously sat in for a few entrance exams, mass communication being my first choice, but the first exam that I cracked was of National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. So obviously, आप इतना सोचते नहीं हो उस वक्त, आपको लगता है हाँ इतने अच्छे prestigious leading institute में you've got the admission, so you rush and just go ahead and do it. So that's where my path for this field was carved when I went to NIFT for my post graduation. मैंने 2 years वहाँ पे course किया है, and then I came back to Jammu and set up my own studio. I got married into a business family, so obviously my path was now towards business as well as fashion. So the first thing that I did was that I opened up my own studio, and it was my in-laws were also very supportive, and my husband was also very supportive in my opening up of my own business. So that's how the path towards business and fashion was carved for me. And I ran that studio for some time, and then when I started my family, I had my children, so that is when I realized that maybe I want to take a sabbatical and not work for some time and enjoy motherhood. And that's when I took a sabbatical of 5 years when I had my 2 children. I have 2 boys, so वो 5 years का मैंने sabbatical लिया, जिसमें कि मैं काम नहीं कर रही थी, and मैंने wholeheartedly I enjoyed motherhood in those 5 years. And उसके बाद then obviously I had to work because I'm somebody who could not just waste my life away doing nothing. तो मुझे काम करना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था हमेशा. So I took up the franchise of a leading fashion design institute and brought in the franchise to Jammu, and that I was running for 10 years. जहाँ की हमने I started running an institute where we were training students for fashion design, interior design, and other courses. So that was actually where I found my niche and I found my calling also. More than the studio, I enjoyed running an institute, and I enjoyed being that person who could deliver to students and change their lives. So that turned out to be my calling also, and that turned out to be my niche area where I actually thrived. And after running that franchise for some time, we gave up the franchise and launched our own institute, and we've been running it for 3 years by the name of MG Institute now. And bouquet of courses has been launched, which now we have jewelry designing, we have fashion styling, we have beauty and makeup, and the main courses of fashion design and interior design are still there. So I've been in this field for such a long time that now whenever I go to any event, any fashion event, that is be it an exhibition or be it any sort of a fashion event that somebody has put up, so I always find my students over there doing so well in life and thriving so well in life, and that is what completes me and makes me happy. And that is what is the most fulfilling thing, I would say, of this career choice that I have taken. बिकॉज टीचिंग वैसे ही एक बहुत नोबल प्रोफेशन है, एंड जब आप देखते हो, एक तो ये आपको ये इट कीप्स यू यंग एंड फ्रेश, बिकॉज एवरी ईयर यू गेट अ न्यू बंच ऑफ ब्रेन्स टू पिक, एंड उनको आप डेवलप करते हो. एंड ओवर द ईयर्स ऑल्सो द टेक्सचर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैज़ चेंज सो मच. जो पहले टेक्सचर ऑफ स्टूडेंट आता था और जो अब आता है उसमें मार्क्ड डिफरेंस है, बिकॉज नाउ द जनरेशन्स आर टोटली इन टू सोशल मीडिया एंड इंस्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. जैसे पहले you had to work hard to get inspiration and then develop a design. Now we have to fight this easy access to social media, because आपको सीधा सीधा आप कॉपी पे आ गए हुए हैं. इनोवेटिव थिंकिंग डेवलप करने के लिए वी हैव टू टेक देम बैक टू थिंकिंग इनोवेटिवली रादर देन कुछ भी अगर आपको कुछ ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है, गूगल से डाउनलोड कर लिया. सो दिस कीप्स अस ऑल्सो ऑन आवर टोज, हाउ टू टैकल every new generation, how to tackle every new challenge. And obviously when you see your children thriving and doing so well, launching their own brands and doing extremely well, so it definitely makes you very always energetic. It keeps me. So that's about that. And future, if you ask me, I do plan to work on more social related works, because it's time that we started giving back also. We have done a few projects. We've done a project with mentally challenged. We've done a project with women in Nashri village, where we help them make bags. We've been doing it all along, but not as wholeheartedly as I would have liked to do, and maybe the time was not right and the age was not right at that time. But I would definitely love to get involved in more of social projects. Personally, I want to work on disciplining my life more, personal discipline that I feel that I lack somehow, and that is what the future I'm hoping that I'm able to. No, I am going to, not hoping. You shouldn't use the word hope. So I am planning to. That is the future course of path, the future path that I plan to undertake, and I think that's about it about myself, and I hope it helps.